Why does your scanner show the P0204 engine code? What does it mean? P0204 is a diagnostic trouble code for injector circuit malfunction at cylinder 4. It indicates that the ECM has detected a problem with the fuel injector circuit, specifically for cylinder number 4. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective fuel injector. Damaged injector wiring. Poor electrical connection. Low fuel pressure. Clogged fuel filter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Toyota, Nissan, Honda, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.